Hello traders, this is Alexander from thegapfill.com. Welcome to the GapFill Automated Futures Trading System. Hello traders and welcome to the GapFill Trader Update for Monday, July the 13th. Today on the Russell, the TF symbol, this is the opening candle right here. We opened at 481.1, previous close 477.9. So basically a 3-point gap, and on the opening candle the market moved straight down, came very close to targets, and the system stopped looking. So no trades in the Russell, very small gap, and instantaneously closed pretty much. That happened I think in the first 15 seconds or so. So the NASDAQ, the symbol is NQ. We opened at 1419.25, previous close at 1415.75. And you're looking at about a 3.5 point gap on the NASDAQ, extremely small. It's like a $60 gap or $70 gap. So pretty small gap. System, did its best to look for an entry for about 6 minutes, but none of the parameters were met, and the system stopped looking on the 838 candle. And on the Dow Jones E-mini, we had about 8 minutes worth of searching, but the market on the Dow went straight up, came very close to our theoretical stops, and the system stopped looking. Typically what happens is if the market tends to move very close to our theoretical stops before an entry, it's a good sign that the market's going to continue moving upwards for the day. That didn't occur today in the Dow, but that's the norm for all four of these markets. So system stopped looking as of the 838 candle. And on the ES, the S&P 500 E-mini contract, we opened at 878.5, previous close 874.25 for a 4-point gap at the open. Pretty small gap on the ES. Again, the system did a valiant effort at looking for a potential entry, but none of the parameters were met in the first 20 minutes worth of searching, and the system as of the 848 candle stopped looking as lows hit very close to our target. So all flat on all four markets today, and we'll be back again tomorrow. That's Tuesday, July the 14th. We'll see you then.